In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a PayPal invoice. Whether you've billed someone by mistake or realized adjustments are needed, canceling an invoice can be a straightforward process once you know where to find the options you need. So grab a seat, log into your PayPal account, and let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to PayPal's official website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your account summary page. From here, it's important to direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a series of tabs. Look for the one labeled Activity and give it a click. This section of PayPal is where you'll be able to view a comprehensive list of all your recent transactions. Now, once you've clicked on the Activity tab, you're going to need to sift through your recent transactions to find the specific invoice you wish to cancel. This might require a bit of scrolling if you've had a busy period with numerous transactions. Make sure you're selecting the correct invoice by double-checking the details, such as the amount and the intended recipient. Once you've located the correct invoice, click on it to open up more details. This is where you'll find everything you need to proceed with the cancellation. Look for a heading or a button labeled More Actions. It might be nestled among other options, so take your time in locating it. Once found, go ahead and click on it. Clicking More Actions will reveal a drop-down or extend a list of additional options. In this list, you'll see Cancel Invoice. Click it to initiate the cancellation process. PayPal might present you with a confirmation screen, which is a final check to make sure you actually want to cancel this invoice. This is handy because it prevents accidental cancellations, especially if you manage a significant number of payments and invoices. After confirming the cancellation, you're done. PayPal will notify you that the invoice has been successfully canceled and the recipient will no longer see it as active or pending in their account. It's worth noting that this action is irreversible, so make absolutely certain this is what you want to do before confirming. And there you have it. That's how to cancel a PayPal invoice. It's a simple process, but they have a few steps to ensure the security and integrity of your financial dealings. Remember to always review your actions carefully to avoid any unintended cancellations. If you have any other PayPal questions or want to explore further features, there's a wealth of resources available through PayPal's Help Center. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.